Welcome to the third model, where our focus will be on Bitcoin. So with every new technology, we have people who invented it and people who explain it. Andreas Antonopoulos is one of the people who advocates and explains Bitcoin to the world. So let's read his definition. Bitcoin, first digital, decentralized, borderless system of financial payments and trust that enabled innovation without permission, with high resistance for censorship and political manipulation. So let's take a minute here and try to truly understand the definition, because it's quite groundbreaking. What Andreas is trying to point out, that the unique Bitcoin characteristics are here like never seen before. For the first time, people can now exchange value digitally without permission. So there were numerous attempts to deploy cryptocurrency already before Bitcoin, and projects like DigiCash, eGold, BitGold, CyberCash sadly all failed. They all laid the foundations, but they lacked the to connect existing technology to the proper way, and they lacked to invent the main technology behind, the technology that we call blockchain. This was later achieved by Satoshi. Bitcoin was invented as an experiment by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009, with crucial digital money elements presented such as transaction ledger, transaction timestamps, transaction signatures, wallet address comparable to a bank account. Bitcoin introduced the fundamentals of decentralization as we know it today. So nobody controls Bitcoin. It runs on many computers. It is more than robust. It's efficient, it's scalable, it's guaranteed to survive. It is guaranteed not to turn against us. So I'm talking about examples such as exponential fee increases, discriminatory policies, lock-ins, and so on. Decentralization enables online cash exchange based on the same concept as it works now, but with a crucial difference: it eliminates the middleman or a central authority. It enables user A to have a direct relationship with user B. So let's find out if Bitcoin has the basic characteristics of money. It is durable, portable, it is divisible, fungible, it is acceptable, it's stable, it has limited supply. So let's mention some of the other Bitcoin characteristics. It can be mobile, stored in your phone's wallet. It can be a store of value. It is an open source. It solves the biggest challenge, which is moving money peer-to-peer without a central authority. And with a total of 21 million mined, all Bitcoins will be mined sometime around 2140. So this ends the third module. Please learn about more on the subject of Bitcoin in the provided reading.